Hey everybody, welcome back to Craps University. Today we're going to talk about iron cross variations, and there are many, but today I've thought a long time about this, not straight, but many different. How am I going to present different iron cross? Am I going to do them together? No, I've decided I'm going to do one at a time. Probably make a little bit shorter video to kind of help everybody understand about the iron cross. And really what I'm getting ready to show you, it's no longer a cross on the play. It is just a different way of playing this. And today's episode is going to be what we call the Hardway Cross, okay? And that will involve a field bet and all the hardways at one unit. All right? It's very straightforward. Let's just jump right into it. And I mean, there's not a lot to say other than a demo. I like the hardways. The house edge on the hardways are between 9 to 11%. All right, so we're gonna get some change from the dealer. We'll drop hardways. We'll rack that up. So we are in for $45. All right, I'll use a Hardway set. Let's go. And 10 the Hardway. All right, since we placed everything and it was the come out, we're still going to collect. And a lot of times I'll put hardways down at the casino and work them all the time, no matter what the roll is. So this table pays $40 for that 10 right here, 8 to 1. And then we press up all the hardways, racked at 25, and we also get paid at the field. So with this, you can do things. You can decide to parlay the field if you win it. I'm going to press all the hardways with the one win. Let's see. All right, another hardway set and 4. I mean, hard 8. We lose here, but our 8 gets paid 100. All right, and I'll rack up the 100. I'll throw that in for some change, and I'll ask the dealer to press me up all the way. Now that's a fluke, 2 hardways in a row. Collect that. Since we lost our field, we'll throw it back out. We've got $15 on all the hardways. All right, a new hardway set. And 5. No field, 5. We lose our field. Yeah, we'll throw another one out there. And 9. Center field, 9. All right, nothing happens to our hardways, but 9 is a field number. Let's parlay that to 50. Let's see what we got. Let's go. And 8. All right. We lose our field bet. We lose our hard 8, easy 8 kills that for us, we'll bring that back for 5. We'll throw down another field bet. All right, let's go. And 2 aces pays double at this table. There we go. Let's parlay to 50. And there we go. 7 out. Everything we lost. All right, our Hardways all down. But believe it or not, we're still up. $25. All right, I'm going to go ahead and grab some change for that 25. I will work all of that. I'll throw a field bet. It doesn't matter. Coming out. And 9. Center field 9. We're on the 9. We get paid. Let's parlay that right away. And 12. Look at that. All right. This table pays triple. We had 50 out there. That is our 150. Let's parlay it again up to 100, and we'll take the 100 that we just won. All right, here we go. And 9, center field 9. All right, this is your decision. I'm going to step back $50, still have 50 out there. And we're rolling. And 5, no field 5. All right, we lose our field bet. Our Hardways are still hardened. And rolling. And 8 the hard way. We lose the field bet. Our 8 gets paid 50. Let's pay that in red. 50. We want to press all that up. And we're racking up 30. And we'll throw a new Hardway down. And 8. All right, we lose the Hardway, or the field and the Hardway, but we'll bring it back. $12. Didn't put that field bet down. Let's throw it down now before I forget. All right. And we're out. And 5, no field 5. All right, let's go. And 7 out. All right, so we get the picture. Very simple, can be lucrative if everything's rolling your way. We still have our 2,500. The rack is full with everything we came in with. $155 profit off of that. Very simple, kind of fun, perfect type of gameplay for somebody standing here next to the stick man, easy to communicate with. if you're doing this strategy, I wouldn't be playing over here, okay? That's just probably not a good place because you got to throw your chips into the stick man. If you're right here or on the other side of the stick man, that is the perfect place. I had some doubts about this when I first read about it, and I kind of like it. Again, this is called the Hardway Cross, and really the only thing that it's crossing is the field bet. That's the only thing. There's no place bet here. It kind of very, very interesting. Okay, so that's it for Craps University. Hardway Cross. I might try that for a few shooters in the future at the casino. This also might be something really good to get my wife to play. Very understandable, not intimidating. Okay, we'll see you at the tables. Thanks for watching Craps University.